Assalamualaikum students, I am your physics teacher Bhuvanesh Gandhi. Today we will discuss about the image location by lens equation. We have discussed earlier that is image formula or the image location by the mirror formula. That was the same as we will discuss here today. The difference is only the mirrors were used in that cases. Here we use lenses, convex lens and concave lens. Both have the same values, but the difference is only that is of the sign conventions. We will discuss in case of mirrors and types of mirrors, the sign conventions will be different for both the lenses. Where in this case of the lenses, the sign conventions will be different for convex and concave lens. So, first of all, we consider here the convex lens. Here is your convex lens. This is your object. The radiations that were emitting from that of the object after passing through that of the lens, they will be focused at this point. You can see it here. The image will be formed. It is your image, and here this is your object. You can see in this case the ray वो जब प्रिंसिपल एप्लीकेशन देखी थी इसकी कि प्रिंसिपल रे आपके पास क्या करती है, जब पैरेलल प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है तो वो कन्वर्ज करती है, जो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास करती है वो रिमेन्स सेम विदाउट एनी डेविएशन वगैरह करती है, पास ऑन होती है. उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपने यहाँ पे ये देख लिया, ठीक है, ये आपके पास इमेज आ जाएगा. नाउ द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर ऑफ द लेंस टू द ऑब्जेक्ट that will be denoted as P. You have discussed P as the distance between the mirror to that of the object in the case of mirrors. Now there are lenses here in this case, so there will be the distance between the object to that of the lens that will be denoted by P. Now here is your image formation. The distance from the image to that of the optical center of the lens, that is called Q. प्रीवियसली आपने क्यों डिस्कस किया था बेटा, वो मिरर से लेके इमेज तक का डिस्टेंस था. हियर इन दिस केस देयर विल बी डिस्टेंस ऑफ लेंस टू द इमेज, दैट विल बी q. द थर्ड वन केस इज थर्ड वन डेरिवेशन स्टेप इज f. व्हाट इज f? f is the focal length, the distance between the optical center to that of the principal focus. The principal focus mentioned here or here, whatever, the same option. That will be f. That is called focal length. Now from all this we have this formula. There is no need of derivation of that formula. We have just direct formula in this class. That is 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. This is your image formation or image location by lens equation. This is your lens equation, same as that of the mirror formula. Is it clear? Now here f is the focal length, p is the distance between the optical center or lens to that of the object, and q is the distance between the image to that of the optical center of the lens or lens. Clear beta? Now according to it is it's both for convex and concave lens. दोनों के लिए क्या है, सेम फॉर्मूला है, but the difference is sign conventions. Is it clear? Because convex lens is converging lens and concave lens is diverging lens. So according to this, sign conventions will be varied for each of these two lenses. That will be sign conventions. For focal length, it will be negative for diverging lens and positive for converging lens. For converging lens, it's it is negative for concave lens and positive for convex lens, because diverging lens कौन सा आपके पास, concave lens, और आपके पास डाइवर्जिंग लेंस को कन्वर्जिंग लेंस कौन सा है, दैट इज कन्वेक्स लेंस. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ द सेकंड थिंग इज q, that is you can say that P, that is P is the object distance from the lens. Object distance. इसको हम कैसे लेंगे बेटा? Here you can see that the object is on the right side. ठीक है? If the object is on right side, it will be positive. P will be positive. If object P will positive, if object will be on right side. Is it clear? And if I take this object on the left side, then it will be negative. ठीक है? And P will be negative if object will be on left side. Is it clear now? The next thing is, ये तो हो गया आपकी focal length, object distance. Now image distance, that is Q. Image distance, you can see it here in case of this. यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं है कि कन्वेक्स के केस में या कनकेव के केस में, ठीक है? इसीलिए आपके पास, क्योंकि आपने देखा था बेटे कनकेव लेंस तो डाइवर्ज ही करता है, ठीक है? उसमें वर्चुअल इमेज आता है, ठीक है? आपके पास इसी साइड पे ऑब्जेक्टिव इमेज भी इसी साइड पे आता है, लेकिन कन्वेक्स लेंस में हमने कल जो 5 केसेस देखे थे रे डायग्राम्स के केस में, ठीक है? उसमें जो लास्ट देखे थे सेकंड हाफ वाला, तो उसमें आपके पास इमेज फॉर्म करता ही नहीं है, और जो लास्ट केस उसमें इमेज फॉर्म करता है बट वर्चुअल इमेज फॉर्म करता है। इसीलिए यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं दी कि कन्वेक्स के केस में नेगेटिव है, कनकेव के केस में नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव है, या इस तरह इमेज भी आप डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं दोगे कन्वेक्स के केस में नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि अंडर सर्टेन कंडीशंस कन्वेक्स लेंस वेरी इज फंक्शंस, वो कन्वर्जिंग लेंस ही है बट अंडर सर्टेन कंडीशंस वो डाइवर्जिंग बिहेव करता है या फिर एज अ नो इमेज फॉर्मेशन आती है, ठीक है? ये हमने कल डिस्कस किया। दैट्स व्हाई हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखे हैं, लेफ्ट एंड राइट कंडीशन पे है, ठीक है? नाउ यू कैन सी दैट if I have this Q distance, that will be on the left side, sorry right side. Obviously right side पे आपके पास real image आ रहा है, that will be Q will be positive. So Q will be positive. Q will be positive if it will be on the right side. Is it clear? And if it will be on the left side, so it will be negative impact. So Q will be negative if it will be on left side. You can consider here the previous case जिसमें आपने क्या देखा था कि ऑब्जेक्ट आपने जब ऑप्टिकल सेंटर और के दरमियान प्लेस किया था, तो आपको जो इमेज था वो भी इसी साइड पे आया था। हम उस इमेज को क्या करते हैं, वर्चुअल इमेज है, ठीक है? तो वो लेफ्ट साइड पे आ रहा था जिस साइड पे आपने ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस किया। इन दैट केस वर्चुअलिटी आती है, जब वर्चुअलिटी आएगी तो विल बी नेगेटिव। इज क्लियर बेटा? ये आपके पास साइन कन्वेंशन थी फोकल लेंथ के लिए, डिस्टेंस था ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस एंड द इमेज डिस्टेंस। नाउ वन थिंग मोर टू डिस्कस इज हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट। ये हाइट ऑफ द इमेज ये मैंने कल भी डिस्कस किया था और आज अगेन बता रही हूँ। ये बेसिकली आपके पास किससे रिलेट करती है, मैग्निफिकेशन से, ठीक है? मींस टू से हाउ enlarged the object is after magnification या after passing through the lens। आपके पास ऑब्जेक्ट में क्या वैल्यू, अब जरूरी नहीं हो इमेज लार्जर भी हो, जरूरी नहीं इमेज शॉर्टर हो। सपोज कल जो हमने केसेस किए थे 5 रे डायग्राम्स के, कन्वेक्स लेंस के जो फर्स्ट केस हमने किया था उसमें आपकी ऑब्जेक्ट जो थी उसका लार्जर साइज था एज कम्पेयर टू द इमेज साइज विल बी डिक्रीज एज कम्पेयर टू द ऑब्जेक्ट साइज, ठीक है? इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ द लेंस। So this distance ratio, this size ratio will give you the magnification size. So I can write it as the magnification is m height of the image to height of the object. This will give you the magnification of that, ठीक है? इसके अलावा आप इसको एक तो ये होता है आपके पास, जैसे ये suppose this is your lens, here is your object and here your image. You can calculate the magnification by using this equation or simply by distance equation, that is P and that is Q. You can use this equation for the magnification, that is the ratio of the image distance to that of the object distance. This will give also the effect of magnification. This is all about image location by lens equation and then sign conventions and some derivation about that of the magnification. Now we will discuss about the numerical example that is related to the lens equation. The numerical example is 12.6. You have the given statement. According to that statement, the lens used in that numerical example is convex lens, concave lens. ठीक है? अंडरस्टैंड सी बात है, concave lens है तो ये कौन सा होगा आपके पास? डाइवर्जिंग लेंस है, ठीक है? Now you have to calculate here. Given data is f is equal to 15 centimeter, that is focal length. Q, that is the image distance, is 10 centimeter. You have to calculate P, that is the object distance. The object आपकी किस distance है? Suppose I sketch here a rough image, that is suppose its focal length f, that is given 15 centimeter, and here is your object. Suppose given is concave lens, not convex lens. So we have to draw concave lens. This. Now here is your focal length f, that is 15 centimeter, and there is your object, that is on. You can say that P have to calculate first, but you can say that Q is formed. Q is obviously formed on this path because the diverging lens. There will be the image formation on the same side where there is the object because it is virtually focused. Here is your image. You have to given that is Q, that is 10 centimeter, and you have to calculate Q. P. You have to calculate this and then magnification. You will calculate this after calculating P. Now the formula, as you know that lens formula, that is 1 over f is equal to 1 over P plus 1 over Q. You have to calculate here P. So 1 over P is equal to this 1 over Q will be on this side with the negative sign. Then 1 over f minus 1 over Q. Is it clear? Now the condition is, as it is a convex lens, diverging lens, we have discussed before, this f will be negative and this Q will also be negative. Is it clear? Using negative sign on both of the sides, so 1 over P is equal to 1 over f के साथ आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? नेगेटिव साइन आ जाएगा, that is minus 1 over 15 minus, according to the formula, 1 over Q is equal to 1 over, that is minus 10. Is it clear? Now 1 over P is equal to, solving this equation you will have the LCM, that is 30. This minus minus will become plus. Here you have minus 15 minus 2 by taking LCM. Here will be 3. 1 over P is equal to 1 over 30. You have to calculate Q, not 1 over Q. You have to calculate P, not 1 over P. So taking reciprocal on both sides of the equation, then P is equal to 30 centimeter. This will be your object distance, that is 30 centimeter. This was the required answer. The second thing is magnification. As I have told you the earlier, that is what is magnification? There are two ways to calculate the magnification. That is m is equal to height of the image to that of the height of the object. But here, according to this, there are no values that is related to height of the object and height of the image. So the second condition we can use, that is m is equal to Q by P. That is the ratio of the image distance to that of the object distance. We have these values. M is equal to P is equal to Q is equal to 10. In magnification नेगेटिव साइन कैन नॉट बी कंसीडर्ड. ठीक है, आप नेगेटिव साइन वहाँ कंसीडर नहीं करते, वो जस्ट आपके पास क्या होता है, डिस्टेंस की डायरेक्शन को शो करने के लिए होता है. ठीक है, सो इट विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज 10 डिवाइडेड बाय P विल बी 30. M is equal to 1 by 30, 1 by 3. इट्स मीन आपके पास जो इमेज आ रहा है object. Is it clear? It will be in the ratio of 3 times lesser than that of the object size or object distance from that of the lens. Means to say, अगर आपके पास क्या है यहाँ पे, अगर आपके पास इमेज यहाँ फॉर्म कर रहा है तो इसके 3 टाइम लेसर डिस्टेंस में क्या होगा, आपका इमेज फॉर्म करेगा. दिस इज अबाउट मैग्निफिकेशन एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. थैंक यू.